All right. So let's see. Yeah. Today's worksheet is on worksheet 2. And I noticed that there are many questions on what you call that? Equations. Okay, in which we need to solve the equations, right? Okay, but did the two of you do your homework, or rather did the two of you look through the questions and try to solve?
Yeah, I did all.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so both of you did all, is it?
Yeah.
All right. Any problems or not?
No, not really.
So Casey doesn't have problems. What about Jerkai?
No.
Any problems? No, yeah?
A lot.
Okay. A lot, ah. Did I hear somebody in the background say a lot? Okay, never mind. Okay, we'll just take it one step at a time and see how it goes. Okay. All right. Now, in this question, now children, estimation question is part and parcel of our maths. Huh? Many years you will find that PSLE maths will have like one question on estimation. So the estimation can be on mass, it can be on money, it can be on length, it can be on volume, it can be on anything. It can be on area, it can be on volume and so on. So the thing is, we actually have to draw on our experience. Okay? Our experience means, like for example, if it's a mass, have you ever carried certain things before and tried to figure out how heavy it is? Like okay, let's say for example, you go to the supermarket and then you saw this beautiful watermelon. You take it up in your hands and then it feels quite heavy, but do you roughly know how heavy is heavy? Did we actually try to figure that out? Okay, now if we have not done that, it is a good idea to actually start trying. You know why? Mass is one of the harder ones to actually estimate. Okay, one of the years when mass question estimation came out, it is to estimate eight $1 coins. So the thing is, yes, we touch $1 coin all the time. We know it's quite light, but the thing is, how light is light? And now they want eight $1 coins, right? So that was a PSLE question. So if we don't even like test it out, then we will never know, and then we will have a problem. Okay, so this being our very first question, right? Length is generally easier because you know why? First thing, your pencil box already got a ruler. When you have a ruler, you already can roughly tell how many is 1 centimeter, how many is like 30 centimeters and so on. And even in your school, there is definitely a long ruler where the teacher's whiteboard is, right? Or the blackboard. Yeah. So you also roughly know how long 1 meter is. Okay. So with those kind of things, estimation for length is generally easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you all, this is the first question, right? Can anybody think of something that is near to 29 centimeters? Because the 4 answers, one is 29 centimeters. So what can be roughly 29 centimeters?
A pen.
A pen? You mean something like this pen? I think you all cannot see. I'm holding a pen. You sure this pen is 30 centimeters?
I'm not sure.
Take out your ruler. Take out your ruler. I'm sure your ruler will have like you either have a short ruler or you have a long ruler, right? How long is that?
About 14.
Exactly. So if you think your pen is about 30 centimeter, it's a super long pen. It's like very, very long. Okay, so we actually need to have a lot of experience when we are doing estimation. Okay, so do you know that our long ruler, because we have usually you either buy a short ruler or a long ruler, right? The long ruler is about 30 centimeters.
Mine is 30.
Yes. So the long ruler is 30 centimeters. It's like standard size one. So if a question give you something like 29 centimeters, you know 29 centimeters is just slightly shorter. Okay. So can that be the answer for your tennis court?
Cannot.
Cannot already, right?
Because it's shorter than my ruler.
Exactly. So next thing is we look at B. 2.9 meters. Any experience? Why not I ask about your height? What is Casey's height and what is Jerkai's height?
1.38.
1.38. So coming to 1.4, right? Jerkai, how tall are you?
1.31.
1.31. Okay, so also about 1.3, 1.4 like that, right? The answer they give us is 2.9. Now, if you double your height, 1.4 you times 2 is 2.8. 1.3 you times 2 is 2.6. Right? So the answer for B, 2.9 meter. Can that be the length of your tennis court?
Too short.
Very short, right? It's very short. So that's why I say length is one of the easiest one where we can estimate. Okay, you can roughly tell for sure. Now, what about the next one? 29 meters. Is there something that we are familiar with that is roughly about that? Any idea?
Not sure.
So 29 meter may be a little difficult, okay? But if you had gone to swimming pools, okay, the standard size swimming pool,
25.
some are 50 by 25, some
Yeah.
are 50 meter by 30 meter, right?
Yeah.
So the breadth is about 30 meter or 25 meter, right? So
Yeah.
now you look at this one, 29 meters. So you think of the swimming pool and then the breadth of the swimming pool. Now you try to think of the tennis court. Do you think 29 meter is roughly like, about one side of the tennis court? Possible or not?
Possible.
Possible, yeah. It is like not so way off anymore, right? Yeah, because even to walk across the breadth of a swimming pool, like those competition pools, they are already like 8 lanes or 10 lanes, right? So you have to
But
walk,
the
actually it's like
length
quite
is
far.
50.
And the length is 50. Yes. Okay. So swimming pool possible. Okay. 29 meter possible. Now let's think of 0.29 kilometer. Now, let's try to change this into meter. If we change kilometer to meter, it is 290 meters. 290 meters. Any idea how long that is? 290 meters?
Very long.
Quite long, right?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I just give you an idea like, your school, do you all have a running track?
No.
Don't have, huh? But have you ever like gone to like maybe Toa Payoh Stadium or any of the stadiums just to run round? You've ever seen those running track where the runners will go round and round and round and round, right?
Yeah.
That kind of standard size running track is a 400-meter running track.
Wow.
Okay, maybe nowadays y'all don't have that, but last time during my time when I was a kid, we used to have sports day. And when we have sports day, our sports day is really like the running one. So we have like a 400-meter run. A 400-meter run means you have to run one round the running track. Okay, so you can actually cut that into 4 parts. Okay, if you cut your running track into 4 parts, there will be the 2 parts that are straight, and then there will be the other 2 parts that are the curved one. Yeah. So the 2 straight parts is about 100 meters. The 2 curved parts each one is also about 100 meters. So that will add to 400 meters. So 290 meters is roughly about 3 parts of the running track. So 3 parts of the running track is actually super long, okay? It's actually very, very long. Okay, so it's beyond our tennis court. Yeah. Okay, so if you are able to draw on your past experience, what you have seen, then this kind of question will no longer be a problem. So what is our answer for this question?
29 meters.
29 meter, right? That is the best answer we can get, right? Okay. All right. Okay, so that is our very first question. Now we move on to our next question, yeah? Okay, question 2 is strict conversion. If you know your conversion, you will not have a problem. If you don't know your conversion, you die, right? So who can tell me how many grams make 1 kilogram? One of you? Anyone? Okay, yes, Jerkai?
21940 grams.
Oh, you give us the answer already, huh? Okay, wait. Before you give us the answer, you give me the conversion first. How many grams will make 1 kilogram?
1,000.
Very good. It's 1,000, right? Okay. So in the question, do we have more than 1 kilogram?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
more than 1 kilogram. So answer must be more than 1,000 already, right? Do we
Yeah.
have more than 10 kilograms?
Yes.
Yes. So if 1 kilogram already 1,000, 10 kilograms will be already 10,000, right?
Yeah.
So if we have 21.94 kilograms, what is your answer? Yeah. Now tell us.
Mine
21 point.
is
Yes. So
621999.
how do you get 621,999?
I don't know.
Wait, is your question the same as my question? Do you have the
Yeah.
same number?
Yeah.
You have, right? It's the same number. Okay, so what we know is all you need to do, because kilogram change to grams is times 1,000. When you multiply by 1,000, because it is all zeros, you only need to hop 3 times. When you hop the decimal and it goes between the 9 and the 4, that is called hopping 1 time. You hop 1 more time, it goes behind the 4, that is hop 2nd time already. You hop the 3rd time, it goes behind, that means there's nothing there, you must put in a 0. Okay, so you have to do that, then your answer will become like that. Do you see that the 2194 will appear as 2194 again? But
Yeah.
what happens to the decimal? The decimal from here has hopped 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. It has gone behind. So we should get 21,940 grams. Can?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, all right. Casey, do you get this answer?
No.
Huh? Then what did you get? What did you get?
62199.
62199. Wait, how come all of you got 621? Is your worksheet the same as my PowerPoint? I got this from Teacher Bern. Teacher Bern gave me this number, 21.94. Huh?
The same.
It's the same number, huh?
I think I did it wrongly. That's why.
Okay. All right. So long as we know our conversion, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. And then 1,000 means you just hop 3 decimal places, huh? You should get the answer already, okay? All right. Okay, then in that case, let's try question 3. Question 3, I would say, is exactly the same. If your numbers and my numbers are the same, then it should be the same idea. Because now the conversion is liter convert to milliliters. And what is our conversion? How many milliliters make 1 liter? Do we know?
Yeah. 1000.
1,000 as well, right? So just now the grams to kilogram also 1,000, right?
Yeah.
So we only hop. So this one also 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So we also hop, right? Correct? You just need
Yeah.
to hop. Okay, so if you hop, what will the answer be?
13410.
13410. Okay, so that should be correct. Okay, when you just hop, your 1341 must remain as it is, and then you end up with 1 extra 0. Okay, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so now, so much for conversion. Let's look at this one. Now, this one is actually place value and value. So what we need to know is we must know how to convert like 9,000s. The idea of 9,000s means there are 9 of it inside the thousands place. So 9 inside the thousands place, what exactly is this value, right? Okay, this should be quite easy. It is actually just 9,000. Okay, straightforward. Then if I have a 2 inside the hundreds place, obviously it is just 200, right?
The answer is 9200.
Yes. So the answer will be 9200. The one that we have problems will be B, because you have this.
Mine is 919100.
919100. Okay, wait,